Hi everyone, today is day 161 on the PCT. Yesterday we took a zero here in Trout Lake, which is where I still am right now. It is really nice here. All the people are very friendly, very hiker friendly. They have huckleberry fields around here, and there is huckleberry everything. Shakes, ice cream, candies, French toast, cheesecake, pie, lemonade, pancakes, like all of it. It's so good. So we've been eating a lot of huckleberry oriented foods and relaxing, getting clean, doing some laundry and a resupply. Now we're just relocating to a campground because we were going to leave town this morning. Spent 4 hours at lunch and then it got a bit hot and we lost all motivation to hike, so we are just gonna stay another night, a third night at the campground. Hi everyone, today is day 162 on the PCT. Yesterday we were going to get back on trail and got lunch, and then we were gonna get back on trail right afterwards, but some hikers showed up, and next thing we knew we had been sitting at lunch for 4 hours and it was dinner time. So we decided to just go over to the campground and camp for the night and then get back on the trail today. So today we got some breakfast at the cafe, met with some other hikers, and now it's just after lunchtime and we are just about to start hiking again. So Trout Lake is a wonderful town, super friendly, and definitely a great place to stop. And make sure you get huckleberries, huckleberry shakes, huckleberry pies, huckleberry everything. It's delicious. So this is camp for tonight. It's a dry camp. We had to carry quite a bit of water because it's in the middle of a 9-mile dry stretch. But we're rewarded with this gorgeous campsite. It's in the middle of a burn area, however, since it's a meadow, we're actually pretty safe from the widowmakers. Over in this area is back to the PCT, and there are tons of blueberries. It's always nice to have a campsite with blueberries. Dessert after dinner, go in the oatmeal for breakfast. Roadkill and Goldilocks are a bit behind me. They'll be coming pretty soon. Such a beautiful area. Hi everyone, today is day 163 on the PCT. Yesterday we hiked 5.7 miles out of Trout Lake. Didn't start until probably 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and slept in this beautiful meadow that I'm standing in right now. Today is going to be an amazing day. It started off with blueberries, fresh wild blueberries in my oatmeal, and we're going to have some great views today and some pretty chill elevation profile. Hey everyone, today is day 164 on the PCT. Yesterday we hiked 9.8 miles and camped at this beautiful meadow with a view of Mount Adams. Mount Adams is behind me right now, but as you can see it's a bit smoky today and you can't really see it. So today I'm not sure how far we'll go, but it's warmer today than it has been, or than it was yesterday, and we got a relaxed elevation profile and a lot of good views promised again. So it's been gorgeous out here and we've just been taking it easy and enjoying it. His cheeks are so big.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, oh, oh. Look at how ginormous his cheeks are. That part's staying in.
Yeah. Look how full his cheeks are.
I know, right?
He's got a tumor.
Oh, oh. Look at that. He learned.
Oh.
Yeah.
American Ninja Warrior of the Chipmunk world.
Hi everybody, today is day 165 on the PCT. Yesterday we hiked 14.4 miles and it was a pretty chill day elevation profile wise, fairly beautiful, and today we are hiking to a spectacular campground. Hopefully it's not full. Right before the Goat Rocks. So we're officially in the Goat Rocks wilderness right now. We came into the wilderness last night. And yeah, just hiking towards the Goat Rocks, and it's most people's absolute favorite part of the PCT, so I'm really excited for the next couple of days. Man, a lot of smoke just blew in this afternoon. You can taste it, and yeah, I hope it blows back out so we get good views tonight and tomorrow. And I really hope there's not a new fire. There was a fire east of us quite a ways that occasionally was blowing a little bit of smoke this way, but this is a lot of smoke for a small fire that was a ways away.
The wind is so bad. It's not letting up at all. My tent collapsed. Well, half of it. And from breathing in all this sand and ash, I'm having a hard time breathing, coughing a lot. I'm pretty worried that if the wind doesn't stop, I don't know if we can walk this ridge. Even the alternate route is pretty dangerous in the wind. It's about 2:30 in the morning. It's 2:30 in the morning. I haven't slept at all. The tent has collapsed on me, and the wind won't stop. And this ridge we need to hike tomorrow, yeah, it's not safe to hike in the wind like this. And the alternate route, it's not safe to hike in the wind like this either. I just hope the wind stops before morning. Even if I haven't gotten any sleep, it's better if it's not going and I can hike at least through the dangerous parts so that I can get sleep at the other end. But I'm gonna have to try and get up in this wind and try and repair my tent. My tent has collapsed again, but I can't get out to fix it because the wind won't drop back. It sounds like a train. It sounds like tornadoes back home, but I don't think they get tornadoes here in Washington.